Hey everyone, if you've ever paused before typing your credit card number into a new website or, worried about getting trapped in a subscription you can't cancel, then this is for you. We're going to break down a super simple way to make all your online payments way safer and a whole lot easier. Think about it. We use our personal bank cards for literally everything online, shopping, subscriptions, you name it. But every single time, we're basically handing over the keys to our main bank account. And you have to ask yourself, with data breaches happening all the time, is that really a risk worth taking over and over again? And it's not just about security, right? There are so many other little headaches. Maybe your card gets rejected on an international site for no apparent reason. Or my personal favorite, you sign up for a free trial, totally forget about it, and then suddenly you're stuck trying to cancel some recurring charge. It can be a real pain. But what if you could just sidestep all of that? Well, there's a really smart tool designed to do exactly that, and it's called a virtual card. So what is a virtual card really? Let's dive in and take a closer look. Okay, think of it like this. A virtual card has everything a normal card has, that 16-digit number, an expiry date, and a CVV, but it's completely digital. It's like a secure, disposable shield you use for online payments, and the best part is it keeps your actual bank account details totally hidden from sellers. And you can use them for, well, pretty much anything online. We're talking everyday shopping, managing your Netflix subscription, paying for digital tools, running ad campaigns on Facebook or Google, making payments to people overseas, and yeah, even signing up for those free trials so you never get accidentally charged again. So where do you actually get one of these? There are a few options out there, but today we're going to focus on a platform called CardUpNow because it's built to be incredibly fast and straightforward. The whole idea behind a service like this is to cut out all the usual hassle. So instead of waiting days for a bank to approve you or filling out tons of forms, you can get a secure, ready-to-use payment card in just a few minutes. That combo of speed and privacy, it's a total game changer. And here's what makes a platform like this so different. First off, card creation is instant. There's no lengthy KYC process, where you have to upload your passport and wait for verification. You can fund your account easily with crypto like USDT or Bitcoin. The cards work all over the world, and you can manage everything from one simple dashboard. It's really built for people who live and work online. Okay, so how do you actually get one? It's incredibly simple, just 4 quick steps. First, you just sign up with your email. That's it. Second, you pick the type of card you want. They've got standard Visa and Mastercard, and even a premium elite card that's great for ad platforms. Third, you add funds using crypto, and your balance shows up right away. And finally, you just click to issue your card, and boom, the details are right there, ready to be used. Now that we know how to get a card, let's talk about who really benefits from this and some of the biggest advantages. Really, this is for almost everyone. We're talking about digital marketers who need reliable cards for their ad spend, freelancers paying for software from all over the world, or just everyday online shoppers who want to keep their financial data safe. Basically, it's for anyone who cares about their privacy online. So the first and maybe the most important benefit is just total security. This is the whole reason virtual cards were invented in the first place. The virtual card pretty much acts as a firewall between your money and the merchant. Your real bank account information is never shared. So if that company ever gets hacked, your main account stays completely untouched. The second huge benefit, especially these days, is complete and total privacy. Like we mentioned, with a service like CardUpNow, you don't have to do that typical KYC verification. That means no uploading your passport, no sharing personal documents. You get a powerful payment tool without having to attach your real-world identity to it. And the third benefit is what I like to call unmatched control. This is where virtual cards go from just being a security tool to something that really helps you manage your money better. You can create a unique card for every single subscription you have. One for Netflix, one for your design software, another for that online store you like. It makes it so easy to see where your money is going. And if you want to cancel something, no more emails or phone calls. You just log in and freeze or delete the card. It's done. It's that easy. So after seeing the problems and the solution, what's the next move to really take back control of your online spending? Look, if you need a simple, fast, and private way to create and manage virtual cards for all your online payments, a platform like CardUpNow is for sure worth a look. You can head right over to CardUpNow.com to see it for yourself. The whole sign-up process is designed to take just a couple of minutes, so you can have your first card up and running in no time. I think the main takeaway here is that virtual cards aren't just a neat little trick anymore. They're becoming an essential tool. They give you the security, the flexibility, and the control that you really need to navigate the online world safely. So that just leaves one last question. Are you ready to add that extra layer of security and control to your own online life? Hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in.